Hi, this is Xander Oldendorp with the Oldendorp Group, and welcome to this magnificent home, 85 May Drive in Chatham's Rolling Hill section. This custom home was built by DeMarzo Sons and has 8,500 square feet on 4 levels with 7 bedrooms, 7 full baths, and 2 half baths. Trust me, this home really has it all. This classic white colonial sits proudly on its nearly 2/3 of an acre property. When walking into the home, you are greeted by a 2-story foyer, living room, and dining room. The back of the home has a very large and bright kitchen that opens up to an eat-in area with a family room and lots of natural light. The first floor also has a bedroom, mudroom, and a 3-car garage. The second floor has 5 bedrooms, all of which have ensuite baths. The master suite has great detail with 2 walk-in closets and a spa-like bathroom. If you want to experience upscale living at its finest in the heart of Chatham's Rolling Hill section, then this is the home for you. For more information on this home, please feel free to reach out to the Oldendorp Group.